How to fix Facebook crashing. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Go now to storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK. Now go to this option appear on top, click on it and make sure that this option allow permissions is allowed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. I'll see you in other videos.